In this video, I will show you exactly how to reorder your question blocks using the drag handles in Typeform. Organizing your survey flow is absolutely essential for a great user experience, and Typeform makes this process incredibly simple and intuitive. To get started, you first need to look at the left-hand panel of your screen where your entire question sequence layout list is displayed. This area shows every question you have created so far in its current order. Once you have identified the specific question block you want to move, simply hover your mouse cursor directly over it. As you do this, you will notice a special drag handle icon appear on the left side of the question name. This icon usually looks like a reorder grip or 6 small dots arranged in 2 columns. When you see this icon, click and hold it firmly with your mouse. Now you can begin to drag the entire block vertically up or down to any new position within the sequence. As you move the block through the list, a solid line will appear between the existing questions to indicate exactly where your block will be placed if you let go. This visual guide ensures that you have perfect precision when rearranging your content. Once you have reached the desired spot in your sequence, simply release the mouse button to drop the question into its new place. The list will automatically update and save your new layout immediately. It is truly that easy to manage your form flow. You can repeat this process as many times as necessary until your questions are in the perfect order for your audience. Using these drag handles is by far the fastest way to restructure your forms without having to delete or recreate any of your work. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial on mastering the Typeform interface. Now go ahead and try it out for yourself.